right, folks, this is a 2021 Chevy Trailblazer. We just changed the air filter on it, so we're going to reset the air filter life. Now, I bought this used, so we don't know how old the air filter was, but we're going to change it and start from new. So we're going to use these little buttons over here and watch the dashboard there, okay? I'm going to go to the right, go into vehicle. Oh, look, it goes right to air filter life. All right, if not, you use your little roller over here and you go through it. All right, that's how you change the oil life over there. But anyway, you wheel it around until you get to your air filter life. Okay, and then what we're going to do is hit the roller button in, and you're going to see where it says reset, disable, or exit. So we're going to go with reset. Hit the button. It says, oh, do you want to reset it? Of course. You hit the roller, go up, hit yes, and it sets to 100%. There you go. All right. It's fairly simple. Nothing but just the roller. And then, of course, we'll put it back to the customer's original spot. Okay? Thanks for watching. Ciao.